Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Spotify crossfade between songs, audio customization step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you are logged into the correct Spotify account you want to customize. From the home screen, find and tap the settings icon. On mobile, the settings icon looks like a small gear in the top right corner. On desktop, click your profile picture or name, then choose settings from the menu. In Settings, scroll until you find the Playback section. Look for an option labeled Crossfade. If you do not see Crossfade, update Spotify from the App Store, Google Play, or your desktop updater. Tap or click Crossfade to open the control. Enable Crossfade by turning the switch on if there is a toggle. If there is no toggle, Crossfade is enabled by moving the slider from 0. Find the Crossfade duration slider measured in seconds. Drag the slider slightly to the right to start with a small value like 3 seconds. Play any song to test how the transition sounds. Listen for the overlap where the next song begins before the current one ends. If the change feels too fast, increase the value to around 5 or 6 seconds. If the songs blend too much, reduce the value to around 2 or 3 seconds. Keep adjusting until the transitions match your personal taste. Stay in the same playback area and find gapless playback if it is available. Turn on gapless playback to remove silence between tracks when supported. Also check automix if you want Spotify to blend some playlists more like a DJ. Turn automix on for smoother playlist flow, especially on curated mixes. If you use Spotify Connect speakers, recheck Crossfade because some devices can affect transitions. Test Crossfade with different genres to make sure vocals and intros do not clash. If Crossfade seems not to work, force close Spotify and open it again. On desktop, fully quit Spotify from the system tray or menu, then relaunch it. Confirm your internet connection is stable because buffering can disrupt smooth transitions. When you are happy with the sound, leave settings and enjoy uninterrupted music. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.